YouTube, Black Prince the Barber. Today, we're gonna go just do a little vlogging. I mean, I don't know where I might end up uptown, might end up at McDonald's, might end up at Family Dollars. We're just gonna take a little vlogging today because, you know what I'm saying, I feel like that we should get out and do more. Speaking of doing more, I'm gonna be doing vlogs and haircuts on this channel. Let's go. Right, guys, I felt that I had to get out the house and do something, man. You know what I'm saying? It was boring at home, so I had to just get out and do something, occupy my time, make my day go by pretty good, you know. Guys, to be honest with you, I do not know where we're going, but we're just strolling the scene, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, it's good to get out and see new things. I mean, the town that I live in, I really don't get out as much, but I just want to, you know, just get out and see new things as I, you know what I'm saying, walk around, because there's always new things to see. This is why I do most of my vlogging at, because I live closer to the school. Let's just get on and just see how much further we can go with this vlog. Remember, this is my first time vlogging, so I'm gonna get used to it. The quality is gonna be fire though. Woo! Guys, I am so tired, man. We just walking. I don't know where I'm walking to, but we're gonna make it there. Wherever we going, we're gonna make it. It's just gonna take a little time consuming. YouTube, I think I should just take this whole vlogging thing to a whole new level, man. I mean, it might be me or it might not be me. I'm just testing it out to see how it fits my everyday life. Because, you know what I'm saying, I feel like I should get out more and, you know what I'm saying, just do other things other than cutting hair. Because, you know what I'm saying, I always upload my haircut videos, but I just want to show you guys what I do on my daily time when I'm not cutting hair. So I don't usually walk up to no park or nothing like that. I'm just getting out because this is my first vlog. Well, not my first vlog, but you know what I'm saying? I've been vlogging, but you know what I'm saying? I just want to let you guys know it's gonna be vlogging and haircuts on this one particular channel. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna start doing. So if you guys want me to vlog more, leave it in the comment section in the below, and I'll do that more. But with that being said, let's vlog. All right, guys, I'm about to end this vlog. I just got done eating, man, so I'm full. I'm about to end this vlog. But if you just only want to see me cut hair, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see me vlog, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see me do both, let me know in the comment section. But with that being said, man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and you know what I'm saying, stay loyal to the channel. With that being said, It's your boy, Black Prince the Barber. See you in the next video.
You already know, man. Black Prince, man. Real talk, man. Go follow my nigga. Real talk.